Welcome to Astro Venture, the DSLR astrophotography channel.
Hey there, Astro Ventures. It's me, George. This video clip for this week is coming to you both early and it's going to be really short. I'm getting ready to head out the door to head to southern Utah for the Annular Eclipse. And with that said, what I've decided is for this video, in the information box below, I'm going to put the links to all of our videos that I put out concerning photographing the eclipse. So therefore, if you're getting ready to head out and you just want that, last minute refresher before you chase the eclipse, all those video links are below. On the other side of imaging the annular eclipse, would love to see your images over at our Facebook group, Astro Venture DSLR. That's where I intend to post mine, provided that it works out for me. Right now, the weather forecast Friday evening is looking to show overcast along the pathway in southern Utah. I'm fingers crossed, I'm hoping that it will clear out for Saturday morning and I'll get some images. So there you have it. Well, good luck. Want to see your images after you shoot the eclipse. I wish you clear skies and uneventful nights.